welcome to Homeschool with Liam. That is Liam, Liam. Today we're going to visit the second last planet in our solar system. It's the seventh planet from the Sun. Can you guess its name? It's Uranus. It's a whopping 2.88 billion kilometers away from the Sun. That's super far. It's one of two ice giants in our solar system. About 80% of the mass of Uranus is made up of dense, hot fluids and icy materials including water, methane and ammonia. These are all above a rocky core, and near the core the temperatures reach 4,892 degrees Celsius. Uranus is believed to have two layers, the core and the mantle. It's the second least dense planet in our solar system. Saturn is the number one least dense planet in our entire solar system. Uranus has a strange rotation because it is tilted at 98 degrees. So its north and south pole face the Sun half each year. One Uranian day equals to 17 Earth hours. That's how long it takes to complete one rotation. But it takes 84 Earth years to complete an orbit around the Sun. That's also known as a Uranian Year. Because of its sideways rotation, it gets very strange seasons. It has 21 Earth years of winter and 21 Earth years of summer, and has 42 Earth years of spring and fall, of day and night time. Uranus has blue and green colors due to the methane gas in its atmosphere. When sunlight passes through its atmosphere, it reflects back into its clouds, and the methane gas absorbs the refractors and only leaving blue and green shades. The temperatures in its atmosphere goes down to minus 224.2 degrees Celsius, and that makes it colder than Neptune. The wind speeds are also extreme. The wind speeds reach to 900 kilometers per hour. At the equator, they are retrograde and blow in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. However, when you get to its poles, the winds are programmed to match the planet's rotation. Isn't that cool? With its magnetic field, it's not aligned with the planet's rotation. It has an irregular magnetosphere which is tipped almost at 60 degrees on the axis of the planet. Due to this, the Uranus is not lined with its poles. The tail of Uranus's magnetosphere extends for miles into space, and its magnetic field lines are twisted and shaped like a corkscrew. There are 27 known moons around Uranus, named after Alexander Pope and William Shakespeare. The inner moons are 50% water and 50% rock. The outer moons are thought to be captured asteroids. They all have dark spots and are frozen. Did you know Uranus has rings? They are very different from Saturn's rings. Uranus has two sets of rings. The first set is the inner rings that is dark gray and has 9 thinner rings. The second set is the outer rings, which is reddish and blue colors. The temperatures and pressure are way too extreme on Uranus, so there is no possibilities of life to exist there. Do you think Uranus is amazing? Well, I do. That is it from me, and science. Like, subscribe to our channels for more videos, share with your friends and families, and you can find us Homeschool with Liam, that is Liam, Liam on Instagram and Facebook. And remember, Homeschool with Liam, that is Liam, Liam. We'll be back soon to explore the rest of our solar system. Bye guys!